Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about something we use every day but rarely question. Numbers. Think about it. We count money, we measure time, we calculate distances. We even use numbers to describe ourselves, our age, height, and weight. But here's a deep question. Do numbers actually exist, or are they just ideas in our minds? Let's explore two ways of thinking about numbers. 1. Numbers are real, like physical objects. 2. Numbers are just concepts that help us describe the world. Some philosophers and mathematicians believe that numbers exist independently of humans, even if no one was around to count. The number 2 would still exist. Just like gravity existed before humans discovered it, numbers might exist whether we know about them or not. The idea is called mathematical realism. Some people believe numbers are part of the universe, like atoms and energy. They argue that mathematical truths like 2 plus 2 equals 4 are always true, no matter what. For example, if you have 2 apples and you add 2 more, you will always have 4 apples. The rules of geometry, like triangles always have 3 sides, seem to be built into reality itself. But if numbers are real, where do they exist? You can't touch or see the number 5, so maybe numbers are something different from physical objects. Now let's look at the other side of the argument. Some philosophers said numbers don't exist on their own. They are just ideas we invented to describe the world. Think about this. You can see 2 apples, but you can't see the number 2 by itself. We invented symbols like 1, 2, 3 to represent numbers, but the symbols are not the numbers themselves. If humans disappeared, would numbers still exist? Or would they disappear with us? This view is called mathematical nominalism. It says numbers are just a useful tool for understanding the world, like words and language. We created math to describe patterns in nature, but numbers don't have a real, independent existence. For example, we say the sun is 93 million miles from Earth, but the number 93 millions is just an idea that helps us to understand the distance. If animals don't use numbers, does that mean numbers don't exist in human minds? So, what's the answer? Do numbers exist, or are they just in our minds? Mathematics is extremely powerful. It helps us build bridges, send rockets into space, and understand the universe. But does that mean numbers are real, or just that they are useful? Some philosophers suggested that both views could be right, could be true. Numbers might not exist in the physical world, but they might exist in a different way, like abstract objects that our minds can understand. So today, we explore 2 big ideas. Numbers exist independently, like part of the universe's structure. Numbers aren't just humans' inventions, useful but not real on their own. Yes, numbers are just the humans' inventions, useful but not real on their own. Now it's your turn to think. Do you believe numbers are real, or are they just ideas in our minds? That's for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.